Good morning, guys. The question that just came in is, are recumbent bikes good for your knees? Now, let's explore that in a couple different ways. So first you have the question of, are recumbent bikes good for your knees, as in better for your knees than a stationary bike, than a new step, than an elliptical, than a treadmill? I would say they're no better or worse. You know, I was in the clinic this morning working with a patient who had just had a knee replacement about 10 days ago. We were using the arc trainer. It's a Cybex arc trainer. Some people call it a cross trainer. And we had progressed from the recumbent bike. I actually prefer to start patients who have had a total knee replacement on something like an elliptical or a cross trainer, arc trainer, a treadmill, because it demands less knee flexion, but it allows them to get moving, which warms up the joint, which moves the fluid out of the area, which brings nutrients into the tissue. And then after they've actually done what most people would consider a harder exercise, then we go to the recumbent bike, the stationary bike, to work on range of motion. It's totally counterintuitive, I know, because you're like, how can I do the arc trainer when I can barely walk? I can tell you, after almost 20 years of experience, individuals move so much better on an elliptical or an arc trainer in the clinic than they do going straight to the bike. The bike is just so threatening and so demanding. So back to the original question, is a recumbent bike good for your knees? Sure, any exercise is going to be good for your knees. I think the research has more than disproven that running is bad for your knees. But if you've had a total knee replacement and we're trying to minimize the impact, certainly a recumbent bike is a great option for you. Certainly a stationary bike, an arc trainer, a new step. Schwinn has some really cool variations on a recumbent bike that's almost like a seated elliptical. There are lots and lots of opportunities for you out there. There are even videos. I've got one I'll try and link somewhere up here, showing you how to use a rower after a total knee replacement. There are some really amazing things you can do with a rower for those of you who enjoy rowing. So guys, yes, a recumbent bike is good for your knees, but so are countless other pieces of exercise equipment. And probably the best of all, taking a walk with somebody you love outside on a sunny day. There is nothing better for your knees than taking a walk with somebody you love outside on a sunny day. Guys, thank you so much for all of your support, the thumbs up, liking these videos, subscribing to the channel. Our subscriber rate has been growing like crazy, and it's because people like you want to show your support for the content we put out, and the best way to show that support is to just hit that subscribe button. So guys, post more questions for me, post them in the YouTube comments so I can see them, and I will create more video answers just for you. I'll catch you guys later.